Welcome back to Fix Your Apps. In today's video, we'll show you how to add background music to a Facebook post step by step. So let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Step 1. First, head over to your Facebook homepage. Step 2. Next, click on What's on Your Mind, or tap the plus button located at the top right of your screen. Step 3. Now, tap on Post. Step 4, type out your post and choose your desired audience, whether it's public, friends, or a custom group. Step 5, scroll all the way down to the bottom of the post options. Step 6, you'll see a music icon. Go ahead and click on that. Step 7, from here, you can browse through the available songs. Choose the one that suits your mood or theme. Step 8, tap the play icon to preview the song and make sure it's the one you want. Step 9, once you've made your choice, click on the song to add it to your post. Step 10. Feel free to add any text you'd like to accompany the music. Step 11. Finally, click on Post in the top right corner to share your post with your friends or followers. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more updates.